Talk about the thyroid. It's something that a lot of people who are keto gurus don't like to talk about because it's a very sensitive subject. A lot of you are having thyroid symptoms on keto. Now, that's most likely due to some type of thyroid insufficiency prior to even doing keto, and it just comes out when you do keto and you're like, I don't understand what's going on, which I'm going to give you some of the symptoms that I noticed because I've been coaching people forever and doing this for 11 years straight and no refeeding. So we got the dime a dozen. We got the hair falling out. That's the most obvious one, right? The second thing is cold hands, cold feet, numbness on the fingertips. Now, we also have things like constipation that develops. Now, constipation can also be due to a drop in a lot of water, a drop in a lot of electrolytes from your kidneys, and then your bowels lock up and you can't poop for like, I don't know, 4 days. But if you're having other symptoms like hair loss, constipation, can't sleep, your weight shoots up really, really high, and you start to feel a little, eyebrows start to shorten. Probably an underlying thyroid condition. Can you do keto with a diagnosis of hyperthyroid Hashimoto's? Of course. And there are these people saying, oh, you can't do it because you need carbs to help thyroid hormone production. No, you got gluconeogenesis for your red blood cells, so you're covered right there. People who are in a ketogenic range with their blood sugar are between a 69 to 80, sometimes up to an 83, and these people have enough blood sugar for their thyroid. Now we've got to protect the other systems of your body, which are your adrenal and your reproductive hormonal system, by getting that you guys have so much stress and so many sleep issues. You have to address those things while doing keto. You can't eat cheese and nuts and garbage. You can't eat cruciferous vegetables that are raw, no salads, no tomatoes, the nightshades. There's a lot of things you have to consider why people start to do poorly with an underlying thyroid condition, and those who do amazing and heal their thyroid. Now that sounds a bit janky, but people have a lot of success in having their hormones rebalance, their T3, their TPO antibodies drop, and then their TSH levels begin to rebalance on keto over time. And people with Hashis or who have been radiated, I've seen this many times, people successful doing a ketogenic protocol and lifestyle while having a thyroid issue. So it can either hurt your thyroid, or it can help it. It's up to you. If you want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. You can book a consultation, or you can go to my keto course, which is only $15 a month, at stephanieperson.com. Or you can go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, or my Facebook, Stephanie the Business Person, and I'm freaking out. Peace.